How to make a collage on Instagram stories. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Instagram. Click on the plus sign at the bottom. Select Story at the bottom. Click on the white button to click a photo. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on Draw. Select your background color. Long press at the middle of the screen. And then click on the tick mark at the top right corner. Next, tap on the sticker at the top. Click on this photo icon. And then select your photo. So you can adjust it and place it where you want. Do the same to add more photos. And tap on the image to change its shape. So you can choose circle, square, heart, star, or a rectangle. Once you've added as much photo as you want and edit it how you want by adding text, music, or filters, you can click on post. So this is how to make a collage on Instagram stories. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.